Let's start by sketching a toucan bird with colored pencil. I am drawing first shapes. As the shapes are one of the fundamental of drawing, it makes drawing easier. After drawing shapes, let's make the whole drawing. It will look like this. Now grab the paints and brushes. We will do background first. I have chosen green and blue, which will make peacock color by mixing these both colors. I will use flat paintbrush and black paint for toucan bird. For eyes, there are 3 layers. First we will go for yellow. Then second layer is divided into half, which has 2 colors, cobalt blue and Persian blue. Here I am using round paintbrush size 0. And for this remaining part, I am using titanium white. Toucan beaks is in yellow ochre and with Indian red gives shades to the peak. With Indian red gives shades to the beak. At front, we will do black paint with flat brush. To give feather look, I am doing white and black for these strokes. Toucan bird is well-known tropical bird from South America. With yellow ochre, I will underpaint this branch or tree using flat paintbrush. Next, Indian red, making texture like this. And last black, do the same. It's time for blending. We will use clean and dry paintbrush and start blending these colors. Give some shadows and highlights. It's time to paint these tropical leaves. I am using yellow first, then sap green. eventually the yellowness has come along. I have used black at the corner to uplift the shape. If you are watching till now, give thumbs up to this video. Now it's done almost. In this tropical leaf also repeat the same process. Let's add some final touches to our painting. And there you have it. Hit the subscribe button for more such videos.